Okay, I put in the vent mud blockers that go into the wheel well upper. They're made out of ABS plastic. I think they ran 39 bucks, 39.99. They fit nice and tight. This is the driver's side. You have to bend them pretty good to get them to go in, so don't be afraid to really bend it and start from the inside and work your way out. I couldn't find any instructions for the 2021, so I found that you have to remove the front fender or at least take the bolts out. So you've got your lower bolt. Let me get you a better shot here. You've got your lower bolt right, get some good lighting. Your lower bolt's there. Then if we go up, you have one here, and then back underneath, and we've got one right behind, actually up to the side of the headlight. You have one. You take out those three 10mm bolts, and then the fender will really loosen up. If you want to take the fender completely off, then you're going to have to take out the two Allen head screws there, and you're going to have to take out the front, I guess you'd call it a firewall dash piece. You have to get that to completely release it. But by taking out just the three, I was able to get them in. Still have to bend them pretty good. Over here on the passenger side, we'll get you a shot of that one. There's the passenger side. Now the passenger side for me was harder to get in than the driver's side, because you really have to make a decent bend under the battery box. You have to slide this in and then get it to come up, and that was where the biggest bend was that I had to make, the tightest area. But it fits very good, nice and tight, and the edges go under to the side, so when you tighten the fender bolt back in the rear, it really holds them in place. So they fit very well. I like them. And I think that's about it for the installation of them. It would have been just about impossible for me to get a video installing them, only because you needed both hands and you had to bend them, and you really had to get in there to do it. So it would have been difficult to get a video of it. So that's where we are. I'll come back with another video soon. I recommend them. I'll give you the link in the bottom. And like always, visit wolverineforums.com. You'll see a link down below to see more about my installs. Thanks.